Add beveled edges to your polygroups with panel loops. Open the Geometry tab and expand the Edge Loop settings to find the Panel Loop options. Press the Panel Loops button to panel your polygroups. The Loop slider controls the amount of loops used for your bevels. The double button will create full panels separate from your mesh. The thickness slider here controls the thickness of your panels. It's easy to overextend, and low values are usually good enough. The polish slider smooths your edges. Control the size of your bevels with the bevel slider here. The elevation slider controls the starting point and direction your panels will be generated in. Panel loops usually works best with low to mid polygon density meshes for making fast bevel edges and or segmenting your mesh.